Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I made a video with Control C and Control V and some other things on how to make copies. But a viewer or a subscriber gave me a couple things that everybody should know because it would really help you. Let's say you're drawing and you want this heart. Click on that heart in Control C. You could go open up another document and then go Control V. It's going to put that heart in a new document that you could start completely. Not only does it put it there, it puts it exactly where it is on the page from the first one. If you look, of course, the page is a little bit larger version, but it's exactly where it is. That way you could right now save a new document saying blue heart, and you can have that heart forever. Another suggestion he kind of reminded me of that I just basically left off. If you want to start a new page and you want all this on your page, let's say you don't want that, but you want all this, and you want to start a new page so you can do some other things, if you'll just go to the page and right click, duplicate page, copy layers and the contents after the selected page. The selected page is 1, so we're going to go page 2, and now page 2 has the exact same thing. Let's move this red heart out of page 2, go back to page 1. As you can see, our page 1 is just like it is. This would be very helpful. Almost every time I start a video, I tell you to make copies of your original item. If it's a detailed drawing, let's say like this truck or this car I'm going to try to do later. If you would Control C and actually start a new page and Control V, you don't have to worry about it being in the way. It's, you could go page 1 and change it and, do everything you want to with it and flip it and everything. And then if you wanted to go back to the original, you still got it on page 2. You haven't touched it. So it's real important. But I could have done that exactly like we were saying earlier. If I wanted, let's just delete page 1. Now page 1 is the original. If I wanted that car, I could just right click, duplicate page after, and now I've got them on both pages. And then I just thought I'd throw this in here. If you were going to do that a lot, let's delete page 2. Delete it. If you were going to do that a lot, you could make a hotkey and go Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. You don't know where duplicate page is, but if you'll click right there and then you just go down here and right click, it'll go to it. Double click on it. Assign a new shortcut. Let's make it alternate D. It's not assigned to anything else. Assign it. Say OK. So if you were going to do that a lot, now I could go alternate D, and all I have to do is hit OK. And now I've got it on both pages. That's a hotkey. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.